Hi guys, my name is Anton Woronyuk and I'm Chief Executive Officer of Skills Booster Academy and Google Academy Trainer. In this Chat GPT course, we will talk about how to use this really beneficial AI tool to improve your digital marketing activities. I'm in digital marketing for 15 years. During this time, I was thinking about different toolkit, and Chat GPT is one of the best solutions you can use right now to get the better value for your digital marketing tactics and digital marketing strategies. My experience is on the both side, for agency and for education. Web Promo Agency is one of the best agencies in digital marketing. We are working with a lot of international brands such as Bayer, Sanofi, Johnson & Johnson, BNP Paribas, the United Nations, etc. And on the other hand, I'm teaching a lot of students. During this time, over 400,000 students were enrolled in my courses. So my experience helped me to understand how this game-changer tool like ChatGPT can implement and influence on your further career. We will talk about how to implement this tool in such toolkit as search engine optimization, paid traffic, Google Ads or Facebook ads, in your email marketing, copywriting, etc. So what we will do during this course? We will start with basic and we will go through the main topics of digital marketing where ChatGPT can be implemented. We will take real-time examples. There will be no theory, just practice. We will use screencast format to describe and show how this toolkit can change your life. If we talk about this toolkit, it's really brilliant if you want to write text faster, if you want to be like a native speaker, if you want to go through all digital marketing activities with higher efficiency and the best benefit. The common question that I hear about ChatGPT, will it kill some digital marketing profession? The right answer is no. In 2017, we were the part of Google Premier Partner Conference in Warsaw. At this moment, Google told, "Dear agencies, I will kill you." It was really sad to hear it, but at the same time, we understood that we won't die as agencies, but our work will be changed. And at the same time, we can understand that ChatGPT won't kill copywriters, social media specialists, SEO specialists, and other digital marketing careers, but it will change it. So this course will help you to change your life and become more efficient and more productive with using ChatGPT. So don't hesitate, come to the next screencast and we will talk about how this tool can make your life easier and better.